Hello everyone, this is Parveen Sarn from Halcyon, Sirsa. So we are having another communication program today guys. The students, candidates, they are here just to express themselves. So let's begin the show, let's have some sort of fun with them. Yes, brief us something about yourself.
Hi, I'm Payal and I'm currently pursuing my IELTS here in Halcyon. And
Okay, so why IELTS?
so because it is necessary to crack the IELTS to get admission in some kind of foreign university, because they have set a baseline to test the English proficiency.
Okay, so today I'm just going to give you a few words. On as I click the words, you will have to speak on that as much as you can. Okay, so you have to talk about water.
So water is a basic thing that we all need to consume to sustain our life, and water is very precious. And there are many sources of water,
Like?
like rainwater, water in the mountains, and sea, rivers, canals. So all these sources of water are there. And water is used in production of many items, food items, and in industries also. And
Okay, so what about agriculture?
so agriculture is the most important sector of our country. It is the prime contributor in the wealth of our country, and agriculture provides us food. Like agricultural methods are used, techniques are used to grow crops, and
So what is this? Hand movements are there. Okay, so just talk about the body language, gestures and postures.
so gestures are the most important things. Like sometimes we can't use our words as much and profoundly, but gestures speak it all. Like actions speak louder than words. We have
So
got-
is she audible to everyone, guys?
No, sir.
Okay, so you should be more audible. Okay, so how gestures help you?
Gestures helps in expressing our emotions some way through our body, and sometimes when we are at silent places, we can use gestures to indicate something. And
Okay, so what about drama and all?
so drama is part of life,
Mhm.
and it is also part of literature.
Mhm.
And like
So life is like a drama. Everybody
Life
has
is-
to play some sort of characters.
characters and
So what
roles.
character are you playing?
So I'm playing character of myself,
Mm-hmm.
a person who is working and running behind, chasing the dreams,
Mm-hmm.
and in pursuit of something great.
Mhm.
So we all are having some kind of characters and roles to play. So
Mhm.
I'm playing my role of discovering new dimensions each and every day.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that's the character that I'm playing.
Very good. So do you consider you are on right track?
Well, so there is a path that I've chosen, and like there was a poem which said Two Roads
Mm-hmm.
by Robert Frost,
The road not taken.
Road Not Taken. So I have been through that divergence in field of education, and followed by whole life, because it is based on that. So on a right path, but the track is still very narrow, so I have to catch that up,
Very
and I'm
good.
working to catch it.
So congratulations in advance just to attain your targets in your life.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so next person. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Yes, sir. Speak something about yourself.
My name is Karthik, and I have just passed my 12th standard, and now I'm pursuing IELTS to achieve success in my life.
Very good. So as I have mentioned, I would click few words and you'll have to react on that. Okay, Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar is a very renowned personality. And moreover, he donated some around 25 lakhs in the Corona pandemic, and also he
Talk to camera. Talk to camera.
and also is a great actor. He made many of the movies, like his recent movie, which was very famous. And now the upcoming movie, I forgot the name, sorry, but
Bell bottom.
Bell Bottom. Yeah,
Mhm.
the Bell Bottom movie is about to release, and you must.
So do you think Akshay Kumar is just supporting farmers or he is against farmers?
Akshay Kumar is supporting farmers. He is well acquainted by the situation of the farmers, the exploitation they have faced. So yeah, in my opinion, he is really supporting the farmers.
Okay, so in the video comment, the people who would be watching it, guys, they just comment, is he supporting, advocating farmers or not? Okay. Next is you have to talk about invention of bulb.
So the bulb was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. That invention was success after thousands of failures. But after that, it was a great achievement as it lightened up many of thousands of crores of millions of houses. So yeah, that was a great accomplishment.
Okay. So any memory of yours, you just wanted bulb and you were not having electricity that time. No inverter was functioning that time.
Yeah, actually there were a couple of, not couple, there were many regretting moments which like I really wanted the lights to be there, but somehow it wasn't to be the excess. There was a time when I was preparing for my exam and suddenly due to the heavy storms,
So role of your parents.
role of my
Yeah.
parents, my parents played the crucial role in my life. And even now they are playing the crucial role because they are the only one who decided to put me in the IELTS and to polish my skills just to make me able to go to the abroad.
Okay, father's role or mother's role, which one is better?
Both have their own role. We can't just say that he is better or she is better. They both have to do their own roles. And my dad is much more inclined into the colleges and another, and my mom is much inclined into the programs. So both have their own roles.
Okay, so who has left more indelible impression on your mindset?
We cannot just compare. Like they both are the means.
It's okay, both have, but who has played more role, better role?
Both have played better role, but if I have to choose one, we can like.
So on the camera you can't say, otherwise your parents will see and they will not give you pocket money.
No, that's not the case. Like I don't get pocket money. Whatever I require or whatever I demand,
Very
they just give on the back end.
Okay, you just open the locker and collect it from that.
No, they just give me.
They give you.
Yeah.
Okay. So they don't give you pocket money and you demand, that is also pocket money.
No, that's not pocket money. That's like pocket money is a money. It's a currency, but I demand for a thing. Like if I want a phone, they will just give me a phone. They won't just give me cash. If I have.
Okay, so congratulations for your way of expressing your ideas.
Thank you.
Very good. Yes, your nice name?
Ravneet Kaur.
Okay, so speak something about any gift you have received from your parents.
Well, every gift that I received from my parents is
Bit
special.
louder.
Well, every gift that I received from my parents is special. But for one thing,
So you haven't received any gift.
so I have received many, but I couldn't remember at this moment.
Sorry, I'm not getting you.
I have received many gifts from my parents, but the one I could not remember at that time.
Okay, so means if there are many gifts, so talk about any gift. We are not talking about special gift. You must have received some sort of toys.
Right, sir.
Okay, discuss about any toy.
Well, when I was 5 years old, my mother gave me a doll. At that time, I was very fond of playing with dolls. That gift was very special for me. I have many.
Okay, so do you go for shopping yourself or your parents go with you?
I accompany with my mother because when I want to buy anything, I get confused while buying. My mother is well acquainted with my choices.
Bit louder.
My mother is well acquainted with my choices. She always help me while shopping. She knows my choices and
She knows your choices.
the items which
Okay, which is your favorite color and why do you like it?
I like the most black.
Hmm.
Black is my favorite color as it.
Okay, so do you think colors have some sort of symbolic values?
Right, sir. Colors have symbolic value. In Sikh religion, most people use blue and saffron color.
Hmm.
It shows their religion.
Hmm.
And in Christian, they wear white dresses on the occasions of wedding.
Hmm.
And Hindus, they wear red gowns. While
Okay, so do you love marriages?
to attend.
Yeah, to attend. Obviously, to attend. Okay. Do you love marriages? Marriages, I'm not talking about marriage. Okay, so it is common sense, guys. So it is for attending only.
Right, sir. I love attending marriages, but of my family members or.
Okay, so when you pay pious amount, that is shagun. Do you compensate that shagun there? Like if you pay 500 rupees, so you just consume juice twice, or when you, yes, when you go for 1100 rupees, so I think you just carry some friends also just to compensate.
No, sir.
Hmm?
I eat there, enjoy there according to my wishes, not.
According to your wishes, means you pay 100 rupees and you just generate more than that.
No, sir.
Okay.
What I want, I enjoy. I didn't compensate.
Okay, so do you go for some fast food there, or you just go for chapati and veg dishes?
I go for fast food.
Fast food. Why fast food? Why not chapati and veg dishes?
So I'm fond of eating fast food. You can say.
Hmm.
Chapatis, I think, is
Okay, so girls they go for water balls. That is golgappa, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you love it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so have you seen like sometimes those persons who just attend you, they are sweating and they clean their sweat with their fingers, and after that they just offer you this.
No, sir.
It is more spicy, I think.
No, sir.
Okay, some girls they just go for tikka, guys.
Right.
Okay, so means do you enjoy these sort of things in the marriages?
Sir, I eat water balls, but in a hygienic condition.
In hygienic condition only, guys. So join your hands together for her, guys. Very good, very good. Yes, what's your good name?
My name is Sahil Bishnoi.
So Sahil Bishnoi, just speak something about Bishnoi culture.
Yes, it is a very diversified community in most of the northern region of India, and they those people who belongs to Bishnoi community, they have certain rules like 29 rules, and in these rules, some of them I am mentioning. That
Because you don't know all the 29 rules.
I know all the 29.
Very good. Discuss all the 29 rules then.
Okay, first rule is Tis Rituvanti Nyaro. In this, any pregnant lady would deliver a small kid, and that kid and their mother, they do not contact with any of the person about 30 days, because after 30 days the newly born babies become a very sensitive, and no negative things have to take
Can affect them.
can affect him.
Okay. So plantation, I think that is also one of the rules.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just speak something about that.
Sir, plantation is of trees. It is very important because nowadays, like deforestation at their high level, and in ancient time also deforestation is also there, because at that time the growing of agriculture is more important for us. But nowadays,
Have you planted something?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
I'm not talking about crops and all.
No, sir.
Okay.
Definitely, in 4 acre of our own land, in that land I have go for planting in each and every boundaries trees in every year at my birthday.
On your birthday. So how many trees have you planted till date?
Yes, sir. Since age of 12, I have planted 10 trees.
You started planting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have planted 10.
Yes, sir. 10 trees.
Okay. So what is the growth of the first tree?
First tree.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. It's neem. Okay, its height is approximate like 20 or to 25 feet.
Okay. So how do you feel when you find like okay you just planted it and now it is giving free oxygen to the people?
Yes, sir. That's I feel very confident because not most of the people are trying to plant any tree, but if someone initiate that kind of thing in a particular area, so other people can also be much confident for that. That
Okay. So join your hands together for him, guys. Yes. Introduce yourself.
I am Anmeet.
Listen.
I am Anmeet. I have recently completed my 12th from BN Senior Secondary School.
Can you speak louder?
I am Anmeet.
Mhm.
I have recently completed my 12th from BN Senior Secondary School.
Okay. So speak something about your family. What sort of family it is?
I have a nuclear family.
Hmm.
Uh, me, my parents, and my brothers.
Hmm.
We live together.
Okay.
We
So
are quite understanding.
you have nice understanding. So with whom you are having the best understanding?
I have best understanding with my mother.
Okay.
I prefer to share my secrets with her,
Mm-hmm.
and she helps me to she guides me in a good way and helps me to tackle the problems which I face in my life.
Very good. So are you confident?
Yes, sir. I'm
So speak something about performance in front of camera.
performing in front of camera needs some sort of confidence.
Mm-hmm.
We need to speak a bit
Faster.
faster,
Mm-hmm.
and we should know what we are going to speak, and we should have control on our words.
Okay, very good. So join your hands together for her. Yes. So your nice name? Shazia. Okay. So as you're a sports person, so what is the condition of sports in India?
Sir, as per my opinion, sports are getting at the highest peak these days, as you must be acquainted with the fact that a recent athlete, Neeraj Chopra, he won gold medal for our country, and I must say that his hard work pays off. And not only him, many sport persons are making complete efforts in coming up and in shining the name of the country.
Very good. As we are following Bollywood stars most of the times, but we never follow any sports person, guys. And one was the stupid question by one of the news journalists, that is from Neeraj Chopra. Who is your role model? Means you are having that hairstyle that is from Akshay Kumar or Shah Rukh Khan. Ishan Sharma, guys. So he just mentioned, I am having my own. Why should I follow them? Okay, means the person who deluses his blood and sweat, the person who makes his optimum efforts, but after that, guys, they just highlight or popularize these stars only, guys. They never give himself a credit. Okay, so what do you think about it? Stars are not paid handsomely. These sports persons I'm just talking about. Bollywood stars, they are paid handsomely. They earn for themselves, but sports persons, they earn for nation, guys. They earn reputation of the nation.
So, as per my perception, I guess it's the misconception. I guess you're wrong in this. Sports persons are actually paid handsomely.
I'm not talking about cricket here.
No, sir,
Only
in every single sport.
Very good. So do you consider as the cricketers are being paid?
No.
Okay, I think not the 10% of that is being paid to the sports persons.
Sir, cricket is something like which is like very followed in India only, not in the foreign countries.
No, how can you say not in the foreign country? Australia is having its own team. Some other nations are also having.
That,
Yes.
Sir, cricket is something that is coming in our policy, like Indian policy. But foreigners are following like some other games.
Very good. You're
Not
just
much-
talking about India. That's why they are paying much to cricketers. What about your national game, hockey? So don't you think it is Indian game, purely national game?
Sir,
So what is the condition of hockey players?
sir, they must means not paying handsomely, but they are earning a good reputation. Like you must.
Okay,
get
so
known-
one thing is there, reputation without money. Okay, so do you think like okay that is worthy?
That's not worthy.
Okay, like you work for me for a month and by the end I just say you're really amazing girl, you have worked hard and I would respect your parents also and I will not give you salary.
Sir, I would like to take an example.
Mhm.
You must be known the captain of hockey, Indian hockey team, Sandeep Singh,
Mhm.
and he earned such reputation in his game, and he was into like some of the reality show. He was earning there. Just
See,
with the
see,
reputation
reality
earned from-
shows that is different thing. There, guys, reality shows are also getting popular due to the name of these stars. Don't you think they are getting TRP right now, guys? Neeraj Chopra is there. Television shows they are inviting him. Are they inviting Neeraj Chopra because he's Neeraj Chopra? Okay, just to gain TRP, guys, more popularity. They are inviting these sort of stars, and they are being misused there. They are not paid that much. Okay, recently, guys, we have seen Messi, guys, that is player. Okay, so he was being offered by the club, guys, 600 means 50 or 65 crore rupees per annum, guys. Okay, so what about our stars?
So you're taking
Yet-
me in the trap.
No, basically the thing is there. After that, guys, that star goes to attend any sort of television show. He charges there also, guys. So we are having such a population. Why can't we produce more sports person? What is the problem here?
Sir, actually, like foreigners, they are getting the sponsorship. They are much acquainted with the like high infrastructure, and along with that, yes, they are getting more earnings than Indian players. So I guess like people.
For your kind information, guys, US, if there is a gold medalist, that is given, I think, $65,000 only, guys, to the gold medalist.
So you cannot
Okay,
compare
here,
just one
yes,
with
I am
another.
just talking about. Yet they are giving better facilities to provide maximum gold medals. China, we are having, I think, more population than China is having more population than India. So they are having more gold medals. Why we are not having that sort of medals?
So, you don't-
As a sports person, means I am asking, like, okay, what do you think? What is the problem? Why you people are not getting more medals? What are the hurdles here?
So, if as a student,
Hmm?
like I'm a student right now,
Now you are sports person also,
but I'm a student also.
a student also.
So his study is also playing a crucial role.
Mhm.
Like they are small kids. That if they're doing games, they're completely into games. If they're doing studies, they're completely into studies.
So
If they're
you mean to
pursuing
say
only one-
the guys from other countries, when they go for sports, they never go for schooling?
a little bit, but they're completely into sports.
No, they are completely into the sports. Okay. So join your hands together for her. Yes, your nice name?
Raman Kambos.
Raman Kamboj.
Yes.
Okay, so Mr. Kamboj, talk about your locality.
Yes, actually I live in a rural area. My village is Kesupur,
Hmm.
and it is a rural area, and there is many government facilities like as hospital, government hospital, and Anganwadis, and a annual hospital, and there is also a Idisha Kendra
Hmm.
for the I guess Idisha Kendra, and if we talk about the
Okay, guys from your village, I think they are very much popular in UK. They are earning handsomely there.
yes.
Okay, so which country would you like to land up and why?
Actually, I want to go Canada
Huh?
because there is my family members are already living,
Mhm.
and so I also want to go.
So are you going to study there or you want to settle there?
Actually, I want to go for study.
Hmm.
Actually, I'm graduated in fire safety stream. So I want to do a master degree in fire science.
Okay,
That's
so
why I-
what is that? Could you please elaborate it?
What, sir?
Your stream you're talking about, fire science.
It's a fire safety stream, like as fire services.
Mhm.
We always see in every city fire stations, and it is a very different way to other streams. We provide emergency services in uh, every situation, and
So have you ever helped anywhere?
sorry?
Have you ever helped anywhere?
Yes,
In
sir,
these
many
sort of-
times I was on the training in Kumbh Mela in Allahabad.
Hmm.
Then there was a cylinder was blasted. Then we reached there.
A cylinder blasted or cylinder was blasted?
Was blasted.
Okay.
Blasted.
Okay, cylinder एक तो blast हुआ और एक करवाया गया guys. Okay. Carry on.
Confused.
Mm-hmm. So how did you help there?
Me and my team, when we reached there, and we extinguished the fire with on van.
So do you know why am I recording this video? Okay, every student is having some sort of problem. Like he is having problem time and again. He is saying, okay, Indian students, they live with katta guys, bhais katta. You must have heard. Okay, so they just start going with it. It is the problem of many of the students. Okay, we never know, but when you will see, you will find this is the problem. English people are also having guys this problem, but they just go with they just go with om, okay, or we go with okay. Yes, it happens. So your English is nice, but you need to eradicate these sort of problems.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you very much for coming in the studio. Yes, hi, you can. Okay, so what's your nice name?
Harmanpreet Kaur.
Harman, speak something about globe. You can see this globe. Yes.
So well, as you are much acquainted with the globe, so there are almost 5 continents, and we are having ocean. So India is the only country which is having their ocean with the name of India. So okay, so our Earth is made up of 70% of water, and rest of the land and forest area.
Okay. 70% water is there.
Yeah.
Who calculated it?
Well,
I have not calculated it. So this is my general question, guys. Who calculated it?
according to the surveys and scientific researches.
Okay. What is the source of this? There must be some sort of source like that university, that is research work.
Like I have read about it from Google.
Google.
Yeah.
So do you think whatever is mentioned on Google is right?
Approximately right.
No. Rahul Gandhi Pappu hai, Modi chor hai. It is also written there, guys. Yes, that is also there, guys. Means you can also upload whatever you want. Okay, if you love someone, you would say like, okay, that is Modi is really great leader. Or if somebody doesn't like, guys, that will go against Modi. Okay, so don't you think it is somewhere the mistake of the Google that doesn't verify?
Well, it depends on the situation. It varies person to person. They post material according to their wish and their will. For instance, you have mentioned it earlier, like people like Modi, they will praise about our Prime Minister. And if they don't like, they will post
Anything
abused
offensive
words.
language.
Yeah, abused words and offensive language used for that. It only varies to person.
Mhm. So you're also having this problem, and you just stress a few of the words. So thank you for coming in the studio. Yes. So we are having another terrorist here, guys. Okay. So your nice name?
Sir, my name is Anshjeet.
Anshjeet. Okay. So Indian politics. Right now, guys, lots of persons are there. They just to defame other leaders from opposition, that may be any party, okay, they use some offensive languages. So do you think it is right?
No, sir. In my opinion, the offensive language is not right to another leaders. They must have a strong reason, and the discussion will be on right track. So they don't have to use offensive language.
Okay, so what punishment should be there, given?
Like, the punishment should be in fine or in some days of few days of jail. Is given to which use wrong.
Okay, nowadays, guys, what happens? What happens? Indian politics, guys, you must have seen that maybe any political party, they never go for progress work, guys. On social media or news channels, guys, you must have seen this talk about stupid issues. Like that leader spoke this. So, what is your opinion? They never talk about the development. So, what do you think about it? We are going on right track, or it is really the worst track ever?
So it's a worst track, in my opinion, because they don't pick the topic of the, they don't pick the matter, and they just blame the another leader.
Who is your favorite leader, and why do you like him or her?
Sir, my favorite leader is Gokul Sethia, is from my city, and he encourages the youth. That's why he is my favorite.
Okay, so I think he lost
Right, sir.
just by a little margin.
Right, sir.
Okay, so where did you miss?
Did he miss?
You miss because you are a supporter of him.
Yes, sir. So there is a corruption in politics, so that's why he didn't win, and he lost.
Okay, very good. So corruption is there, guys. Very good. So would you like to be a leader in the coming future?
Not really, sir. I'm not much interested in.
Why you are not interested?
Because I'm not having that kind of confidence in myself.
Very good. So a youth doesn't have confidence. That's why we are having poor leaders in the market.
Right, sir. I'm not having that confidence. Youth is.
So you are not youth?
I'm youth, but.
No. Are you youth? Okay. You are also youth, guys. Very good. So join your hands together for him, guys. Very good. Speak something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Arnav Tandon. I am born and raised in Sirsa, Haryana. I recently finished my senior secondary education with flying colors. And yeah.
Okay, so you come from some school where you just got your maximum training from the same sort of school, or did you change your schools?
No, sir. From my kindergarten to my 10th standard, I was in same school. But in 11th standard in Sirsa, as I belong from Sirsa, there are not much facilities here. So I pursue my higher studies to moving in the metropolitan cities. So that's why.
Okay, so why do you think like in Sirsa there is not sound education? I have seen a few students of Sirsa, guys, they have become IPS officers. Okay, they studied in Sirsa only.
Yes, sir, absolutely, sir. Not some, but many of are there. But sir, due to sir, I could mention that in my 11th standard I went to the hostel. So my father's main motive was to teach me how you can live alone, how you can means.
Survive without family members.
Survive without a family.
So did you miss your family members there?
Absolutely, sir. I was homesick there, but
you were suffering from nostalgia.
Nostalgia, yeah.
Yeah, so you can say I got nostalgic about my family. Yes.
So I got nostalgic about my family, but still I learned many of the things. I learned how to live, how do I survive alone.
Very good. So I think where did you go there? I think you were means your head was trimmed properly.
Yes, sir, absolutely. Sir.
So
because there was a rule that
no hairstyle. Okay, they trimmed on the very first day, guys. They made him Fauji on the very first day.
So not first day, sir. Within 30 minutes, sir.
30. Okay,
yeah.
first of all, means your father deposited fee, and your mundan ceremony was there. ओके सो मुंडन करने के लिए वर्ड होता है दैट इज टॉन्श्योर, TONSURE, टॉन्श्योर. सो यू वर टॉन्श्योर देयर.
Yes, sir.
So how did you react or how did you feel when you had a glance of your own look in the mirror?
When I see it, I didn't recognize that this is me. And from after 10 days, I didn't look into the mirror.
Because there was no reason, no hairstyle, okay, there was no need to comb, okay.
Yes, sir,
So
absolutely.
okay, on 11th day how did you feel?
Not much, sir, but still I have a sorrow feeling about it.
Very good. So don't you think that was the best decision by the management?
Not at all, sir, because they have a primitive thinking that if you have a good hairstyle, then you will be
Okay, so
engaged in
very
these
good.
hairstyles
It
only.
is he is saying it is the primitive thinking, orthodox sort of mindset of the people. They are blinkered somewhere. Why armies of every nation are having that sort of haircut, guys? They don't have long hair. Why? Do you think they are having primitive thinking?
No, sir, not at all, sir.
Very
because
good.
they-
So means if somebody cuts your hair, somebody trims your hair in the school, that is primitive thinking. Or if you become army person, guys, you are not having that primitive thinking. We are having a profession. I think everybody feel proud of them, guys. So everybody feels.
So
Okay.
that's right, sir. Because in army there are the certain rules which you have to follow it.
So
if-
don't you think the rules of that school is also nice?
Okay, sir, I agree to your point, but sir, but sir, still they have not, sir, but they have a mindset.
Rather, you can say, sir, this is the only age we can grow our hair. We have some style. At the age of 60, what will we do when we will be having hair fall? So that could have been answered.
Yes, that would
This
be
is the
also-
age you can means have lots of hairstyles. Okay.
Yes, sir, absolutely, sir.
Okay. So do you consider yourself as a hero?
No, sir, I am a still student and I want to pursue my studies higher, so I don't feel like
I think everybody should feel himself hero, guys.
No, sir, I feel
No.
as a student, sir.
Okay. It means hero means leader. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, I understand, sir.
Okay, so join your hands together for him, guys. Yes. Okay, you came first. Your nice name?
This is Anchal.
Anchal. So, Anchal. From Anchal, guys, I have clicked mother. Maa ka Anchal. Okay. So, discuss the role of mother in a family.
Mother is the one that
Shelters you, protects you.
protects you
Mm-hmm.
and take cares of your happiness
Mhm.
and of your dreams also.
Mm-hmm.
I think she is everything for their children.
She is everything for the children. Why does it happen when mother beats you and after that you love to go to your mother only? But it never happens with others.
Because we know that she is the one who always protects us.
No. She beats us properly. Okay, she's saying she always protects us. I think she befools us many of the times. Oh, I was beating your brother. You were there. Oh, then oh, mother. Okay. So don't you think, guys, mother befools us sometimes?
So she beats us because we sometimes do foolish things. She wants to learn things.
She wants to teach, not learn.
She wants to teach things to us.
Rashan. Okay, very good. So congratulations for being in the studio. Very good. Your nice name?
Myself Rita Sonu.
Myself. Okay, never say myself. Otherwise, guys, have you heard himself or herself? It is a slang one, guys. Grammatically wrong it is. Yes. So, Sony, that is a family. I think that thinks about the betterment of every family.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so why do you think about the betterment of others?
Sir, like this is our profession from our patient.
Okay.
We are having that talent and the profession of making jewelry, and it is like everyone is in India. This is a tradition to wearing gold, and
Okay, as some time earlier, some guys were talking about corruption in politics. So, do you think there is corruption in the business of gold and jewelry?
no, sir. Some people, this is a mentality of this depend on the mentality of a person. It is a business, so everyone have to take some commission or some earning from that. But
It's okay. Earning matters, guys. Making charges, no problem. This is right. Okay. But adulteration, mixture of some other metal.
sir, as I mentioned before, to mix some metal is compulsion to make that.
Compulsory to
jewelry.
build up the level in the society.
To make jewelry, but this is that we firstly tell that customer that we are mixing that much and it is that much pure, but some people are doing that wrong things. They are telling to the customer that we are mixing it this much and they are mixing more than that.
More than that. Okay.
But all are not
Equal.
equal. Same
Very
time.
good. So they add, some adds few, some adds more. But they add. Okay. So, being a goldsmith,
Yes.
that means, how do you feel your father is working?
So, well, it's very interesting question. My father is very soft-spoken, and very,
Very good.
talented person because he
Soft spoken and talented. You understand, guys? Very good. So, with his soft language, soft communication,
so it is also a talent.
it is also, yeah, definitely, guys. This is sort of communication skill, guys. Very good. One must be having.
As he is very experienced about that because he has that profession from last 26 years and he knows everything about that and he can
So, what does he know?
everything about he can tell to the customer by taking that gold in hand that what is its weight and what quantity of other metal is mixed in it.
Is mixed.
It's,
Very good. So your father knows. I understood
Yes.
from your reaction. Okay, very good, very good. So, how did your father learn these sort of things?
when my father was 12-year-old,
Mhm.
that time home condition was not that much good, so he started sitting in his maternal uncle's shop. In
Yeah.
that
Listen, guys.
same
He
shop
started sitting at maternal uncle's shop.
at
Okay, at the age of 12.
12 years.
Very good.
And he have that experience.
He is having that experience. Now he is sending his kids abroad. Okay. 20 lakh rupees at least, guys. Then another 20 lakh rupees, guys. Okay, so how did he manage? From making charges only it is not possible.
So it is very nice. It is a business from many years. He have saved. and he
Okay,
has
rather,
earned that
no,
much.
rather you should say, never means just take step backs. You should say, sir, my father is having the business
Yes.
in distant areas also. So he is having the best clientele. Best? Okay, so we are having lots of houses or lots of families attached to this business. So we are having routine business. So due to the credibility in my father, he is earning that much. It is not so like everybody is corrupt, that's why he is earning. The person who is having more quantity of customers, okay, so he can also earn much. Okay, so congratulations for being here. Yes. So, Sukhbir, speak something about your locality.
I live in Fatehabad.
Bit louder.
I live in Fatehabad. It is a small city, and all basic facilities are available there.
Okay. Fatehabad is called Pink City. Okay, do you think it is really Pink City? Okay, not at all. So means who kept this name? You don't know. See guys, she comes from a city. Pink City is called Pink City of Haryana. Okay, or she doesn't know much about that. So you need to gather some sort of information about it. Okay, so you come from agriculture background. So what is the condition of agriculture in India?
The condition of agriculture in my country, it is not better because there are three laws which government are implement, but the all agriculture are against of it because they think it is not good for agriculture.
Very good. One more thing is there. You people are talking about three bills are there. Before three bills, I think India got independence in 1947, or before 2021, these bills were not in function. Okay, so do you think the condition of farmers that was really amazing? We were producing gold from the land, not at all. So how can you say without implementation of the bills? So you have heard somewhere these bills are not good. If these bills are not there in existence, we will be having that better position in India. Okay, so from the after 1947, these bills were not there, and you are saying the condition of farmers that was not good. I want to listen to. Yes. Very good.
So it's quite good question.
Mm-hmm.
There are three amendments which have passed about our regulatory body.
Mm-hmm.
The first one is which the first thing is people these three amendments have passed in Bihar and UP also. There are now they are in poverty and they come to go to other states for working. So I think that amendment is not good for farmers.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So what's your nice name?
My name is Mohit.
Mohit. So you should talk about the value of stage.
Well, stage is the place which gives a person chance to become a leader.
Mm-hmm.
Stage is also a place which allows a person to depict its all emotions and thinkings.
Very good. So what about stage?
Stage is that place.
Bit louder.
As per my notion, stage is that place which enhance the confidence of person, and it enhance the level of communication also.
Mm-hmm.
And much more things person can express and represent himself or herself
Mm-hmm.
according to their perception and according to their personality also.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so how stage has contributed in your life?
So when I joined Halcyon, usually I got a chance to visit on stage, and I'm really feel proud to be part of Halcyon because it is providing me a platform.
Okay. Very good. So you may go. Yes. Navdeep, what's your nice name? Yeah, Navdeep, what's your nice name?
My name is Navdeep Kaur.
Okay, Navdeep Kaur. Is there any nickname your family calls you?
Yes, there are several names.
Several names, guys. Very good. In Indian families, yes, there are several names. Okay.
My father told me Mannu.
Okay.
And my mother told me Matta.
Matta. What is Matta? What is Matta?
I don't know, but when I was born, that my mom saw some things, something that I think, which is that very ugly place. That's called
Ugly place.
Yes.
Oh, Oh, we'll not like to talk about this. Okay, so do you also have your nickname?
Yes, sir. My nickname is Janu at home.
Janu. Very good.
Yes, sir. And when I was working as a manager in a company, they also call me as a Janu there.
Very good. So okay, very good. So means after your marriage, your mother-in-law would be saying to your wife, call Janu.
Yes, sir. As my nickname is it, so they will.
So who kept this nickname?
Sir, my grandfather.
Grandfather.
Yes, sir.
So means don't you think your grandfather was having some sort of romantic nature?
That's why they have 4 kids.
They have 4 kids. How many grandfathers were there? Because he has used they.
Sorry, he has 4 kids.
He
has.
Right now he's.
No, sir.
He had.
He
okay.
had.
Okay, 4 kids. Okay. So very good. I understand, guys, how population blasted. Okay, very good. So do you think Indian people now thinking about 1 or 2 children?
Well, sir, yeah, it is true that today people are, as they have a hectic schedule, so they don't have enough time to maintain their family, and moreover, their expenses are there to maintain the family. As there is
Petrol rate is hiking day by day.
Yes, sir, they don't have enough money to.
They don't have enough money to give 2 bikes or 3 bikes in the family. Okay, that's why they're not producing babies.
Yes, sir.
Very good. This is logical, guys. Okay, very good. Yes. Do you live in a nuclear family or joint family?
I live in a joint family.
How many members are there?
In my family, 40 members are there.
14 or 40?
14.
14 members are there. Okay. So 14 members. How do you manage morning breakfast?
How we are easily managed. One by one, all are doing breakfast.
One by one. Like, do you make a queue?
What's that?
Do you make a queue? Like, okay, you get your turn, then you are.
No, my grand auntie serves breakfast to all one by one.
Okay, she serves breakfast to one and all. Okay, very good. So, in your family, whom do you love the most?
In my family, I love my grand uncle.
Grand uncle. Why?
Because he cares me more than his own children.
Very good. Very good. So, does he offer you candies, chocolates, or some other sweets or something, fruit or?
When anything I need, they provides me.
They uncle, how many uncle?
He provides me.
He provides you. Okay, very good. Yes. So, sir, what is your nickname?
I don't have a nickname.
You don't have nickname? Okay, what's your good name then?
Davinder Singh.
Davinder Singh.
Yes.
So never say, guys, I just made a query, what's your good name? Davinder Singh. I am Davinder Singh.
I am Davinder Singh.
Okay, so Davinder Singh.
Yes.
So what is the significance of Singh in your name?
Sir, I belong to the Sikh community.
Bit louder.
So I belong to Sikh community.
Hmm.
Sir, in Sikh community, sir, every name has last name Singh, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why.
No, every name is not Singh. There are Kaur also, guys. You can't say every name is Singh.
In females there is Kaur, sir. Last name Kaur.
So what is Kaur?
I don't much.
Okay, that is princess. Very good, very good, very good. You never knew about this. What's that? Tigress. Okay, very good. Tigress is there. So, guys, if you know the right meaning of that core, you should comment in video on YouTube, guys. Okay, so you never know much about that. Okay, very good. Yes, what's your nice name?
My nice name is Amandeep
Very good. Never say, guys, my nice name is this. My name is this.
My name is Amandeep
Okay, so what is yours?
My name is Harmanjot Kaur.
Harmanjot Kaur.
Yes.
So whenever you fill OMR sheet somewhere,
Yes,
Harmanjot Kaur. Okay, so don't you think it takes much time to fill up those?
No, I love my name.
You love your name.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the significance of your name?
The meaning of my name, firstly, is Like brave.
Brave.
Yes, it stands for bravery
Hmm.
and be confident and the significances. I don't think it has.
Okay, so how does
Bravery
you?
is itself a significance.
Okay, how does it help you?
Name
You-
is
you-
my identity.
Name is your identity.
Yes, sir. It represents me.
Okay, so discuss, like with this name you have done something or you have earned something.
Uh, I don't earn, but the name, the person who have same name earned a lot. Like the Harmanpreet Kaur, cricket, female cricketer.
No, that is. I think name doesn't matter. You make the name ahead, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, at the time of your birth, if there would have been another name, so you would love that because people start calling us. That's why we are having some sort of attachment with the
I'm
name.
trying to earn my name
Mhm.
and make it a more highest points.
Okay, so what would be the highest point you would like to take your name?
I think everyone knows me by my name. I don't to represent myself. I just said my name is Harmanpreet Kaur and they recognize me.
No, my query is something else. My query is, you are mentioning like you want to take your name at the highest point.
Yes.
What will be that highest point? Would it be Mount Everest?
No, sir.
You would erect your name there. Okay, my name is written on Mount Everest. Or you would be having some sort of.
Yes, I have ambitions.
Hmm?
Firstly, I don't want to say it first because we are knows when we tell to anyone that there is some sort of they couldn't be achieve before it succeed. So I don't want to tell that.
You don't want to tell. Okay, are you selling chitta? Okay, so why means?
Not it's
some-
illegal, but it's my intuitions that I don't want to.
Okay,
tell
as you
before it
started like, okay, your name is having that sort of significance. Okay, that is your identity. You feel something. So why can't you express like, okay, you want to gain that position in your life?
I don't know, but I don't want to tell.
Okay, so do you know what your problem is?
No, sir.
I should mention in communication.
Yes.
That is, you have replied me,
Yes, sir.
but in your answers, your replies, whatever I was asking was not being given to me. Okay, so means ideas were not there, speaking was there, like you were just speaking.
I'm just replying. I'm not
Yeah,
elaborating.
yes. Watch this video, then you will understand it. Okay. Yes. What's your nice name?
My name is Ramneek.
Ramneek.
Yes, sir.
Okay. As we were talking about her name, so do you know the meaning of your name?
Yes, sir. It means beautiful.
Ramneek is beautiful.
Yes,
Okay. Very good. So we are having another Ramneek also. Okay. So very good. So did you know it earlier? Ramneek stands for beautiful. You knew it? Very good. Really nice. But he is feeling shy right now. Okay. So who kept your name?
My brother.
Your brother kept your name. Okay. So your brother is elder to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how much elder is he to you?
7 years.
7 years. Okay. So how do you feel with this name?
I feel good.
Okay. So what sort of attainment you would like to introduce in front of society with this name? Like, okay, like if I just say I'm a trainer, I'm Parveen Saharan, I'm a trainer. Okay, I'm running Halcyon Sirsa. Okay, Halcyon the English Junction. So that is my identity. So I'm motivator also. I'm a YouTube creator as well, guys. So what about you? So what you would be?
Sir, I want people to know that if they hear Ramneek as its name, meaning is beautiful, people should see everything has a beauty in it.
Mhm.
They should see everything in a positivity, and they should have this in mind that everything can be seen in a positive way, not in if we are in depression or in any kind of situation which we can't face. One should start seeing it in a beautiful way. They should start changing their point of view.
Really nice. Very good. Say bye.
Hi.
Bye. Not hi.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay, very good. Yes, guys. remove finger. Okay, his finger was there, guys. That's why I was not that much visible. So that was a sort of communication class. Students, they just participated well. They were having some sort of mistakes. Sometimes we never recognize our mistakes, but whenever we just love to find ourselves on the screen, we can rectify ourselves. And speaking in front of camera, it is easy or tough? It's complicated one. Yes, it's easy. So guys, do the things you fear and fear will disappear. वो काम करो जिसको करने से डर लगता है guys. डर अपने आप हाँ, और हमेशा क्या फील करना है guys? So thank you very much. मिलते हैं next time.